the elevator. This is deck 18. That's our room. And looks like the cleaning staff is here. Passing people in the hallway. So here's our room. 1834. And it's all RFID. And here we go. So we've got like a dry bar with a coffee maker. Fridge is down here, which we've got water and soda in there already. Restroom, we haven't been cleaned yet today, but here's our suits hanging up here. Nice robes, big robes. Bidet, shower, tub, 2 sinks. Love the 2 sinks. This room has tons of storage. I mean, all of these cabinets, you know, there's space. There's a closet here, which I think this is, yeah, this is the one Tom's been using. And another one over here. I guess he's using both of them. And more storage there. But we have a dining room table, which is super nice to just plop our crap on. And sofa, 2 chairs, big TV, pocket doors on both sides, which is kind of nice. And then there's pocket doors here too. A nice little getting ready area. And again, 2 more closets. Just kind of nice. More space, more space. Lots of storage, it's crazy. And then here's the big, yes, again, we have not been serviced yet this morning, so maid hasn't been here. But we've got the big windows. Again, more space. I keep my pajamas in that thing. And here's the pocket doors. And you can get 2 arms to open them, but our balcony is huge. And I mean huge. So the curtains are operated remotely, like on the Crown Loft Suites, but it's super windy today too. So, but look at how big this flippin' balcony is. It's like got the table. We got like a sitting area, 2 lounge chairs. It's kind of nice, but this balcony is huge. It's a little breezy today. When we woke up this morning, they said 52 mile per hour, or knots per hour, 52 knots per hour winds, which is crazy windy. And that is our room. Owner suite on Wonder of the Seas.